It's so dirty in here. Guys, it smells like cat piss. Ah! Oh, that's my leg. Oh, I could be a dancer. Sarah, come back. I miss you.
What?
Baby, come back. You can play meow.
What?
I miss Sarah.
Really? Already?
Yeah.
I would be like, yes, she's gone.
Oh, Sarah! Sarah, she's happy that you're gone.
What?
She'd be happy that if you left. She's a bad person. Why would you say that? Hello there. Hey, I'm taking a video of your butt cheeks. Okay, okay. Look at how dirty it is in here. There's piles everywhere. Sarah, your room is nasty. Hello there.
It's at your own.
What do I gotta do?
You gotta keep it down.
I gotta keep it down? I'm only meowing.
Did you say your mommy?
No. What'd she say? What'd mommy say? I bet she called me a pothead again. Her mom calls me a pothead a lot.
Really?
Yeah, because we smoke. She'd be like, you guys are potheads.
Wow.
It's a kill sign. Look at the mirror. Wave hi to yourselves. Ha ha. Where did you get? Oh. Your roots are black. What? Do you have like two-tone hair?
What?
Like mine? Is yours like blonde on top and black underneath?
Yeah.
Yours is like total opposite of mine.
I know.
Because mine's like...
brown on top and white on bottom.
No, it's black.
Oh.
It's just blah. So many bands. Bands. Blah. Does that sound real?
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey guys. I didn't know I was supposed to bring a pencil to class. Teacher, I'm sorry. I didn't know I was supposed to bring a pencil to class.